Hey, it's Bo Derek, Detroit radio personality and portfolio manager here at BMW of Ann Arbor. We'd just like to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. And I'm going to give you a little treat today, kind of teach you how to cook a turkey. I've got a great turkey recipe, and I think I know just the person to ask. One of our technicians is known for his world-famous turkey recipe. So let's talk to McCade and see if he'll give us a quick tutorial. He's right here. Hey, McCade.
Hey, Bo.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh, it's going good.
I understand that you are known for your turkey recipe.
Oh, yeah. Actually, it's, one of the world's best turkeys, and I don't think anyone makes it better.
Okay, would you mind? I know you're kind of busy working on this car, but would you mind kind of giving the audience a little tutorial about how to cook it, your turkey recipe, and how to prepare it, all that good stuff?
You caught me a little off guard, but sure, let's do it.
Okay.
Do you have a turkey?
No.
You know what? Matter of fact, let's see here. Oh,
You got one?
spare.
Okay, great. All right.
Well, let's go make this turkey.
Let's go do it.
Okay, perfect. Now, if you just watch closely, it's very particular how you put in all these ingredients. Now, first we're just going to start with the paprika here. You got to have at least 6 shakes. I know that was 8, but that's just my special way of doing it. We're going to do a little bit of oregano, also 6 shakes. I know that was 9. Calm down. Here we go with the pepper. A good old mix there.
All right, that looks good.
A little bit of salt.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, a little bit of salt. That was really good.
So the salt
All
is
right.
going to add a lot of flavor.
A lot of flavor.
Yeah.
Now, the soy sauce is very important, how you add it.
Okay.
You got to have a little tear,
Oh,
and then
yeah.
you just pour it.
Oh, yeah.
You see that technique there? That was very good. Now,
Burners?
for the very important ingredient, this is extremely important, okay?
Alright.
You can't tint it all the way in. You have to make it run right on the side and
Nice.
go right underneath everything.
Wow, look at that
Look
bubble.
at that.
That's-
Doesn't that just look delectable?
It does. It looks really spicy.
All right, now let's just get it all mixed up here.
What do you use? It's like a regular whisk?
Just a regular whisk and get it all mixed up in ingredients so we can do a nice rub. All right, so now everything's good, so we're going to go ahead and season the turkey. Ah, wait, we need a turkey baster. I don't have one, but I think I might know someone that does. Let's go get it. All right, Miguel, we're up here making a turkey, but we forgot a turkey baster. And I thought you might just have one.
Why would I have a turkey baster?
Well, I just had a feeling.
You know what? Actually, I may have one.
This is pretty cool.
I was just using it the other day. Oh, here it is.
Oh,
Does that work for you?
that's fantastic. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thanks, Miguel.
Let's go make this turkey.
That's great. Awesome. All right, so we have everything you need now, right?
We do.
All right.
We're going to go ahead and get this thing going. All right. Now that we have everything we need here, we're going to go ahead and get this thing going. Okay, first off, we're going to grab some butter. Just, enough. Get it all rubbed in. Get all in everything here. Yeah, looks real good.
Oh, it looks tasty.
Yeah, it's going to look real good. We're going to put some down in here to melt.
Right.
All right, everything's all good there.
Yeah.
Now, it's time for the special seasoning. Oh, doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Yep.
Let's get it all
Oh,
rubbed
do you
into
use this thing
everything.
too? Or no? Was this for later?
Yeah, we'll use that
I can
in a
help.
little bit. Yeah, there you go. Go ahead.
Just help you a little
Kind of
bit.
rub it in, everything there.
Yeah.
Get some nice inside of everything.
Yeah.
Get one last little pull here. And get it all rubbed in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
juicy, huh?
Perfect. It'll be nice and juicy.
Yeah.
All right. Now that we have it all flavored up,
That's it, huh? Just
that's it.
Oh.
Everything's all flavored. It'll all soak in.
Okay.
And then we're going to take this and
Hold the
put it
bag.
in our bag.
Back for you. There you go.
All right. Sliding it right in.
All right.
Perfect. All right. Now let's cook it. Follow me and we will cook this turkey.
All right. I don't think we had an oven at the kitchen.
Well, here at BMW Ann Arbor, we do it a little bit different.
Wait a second. What are you doing?
Oh, go follow me. If you've ever had the crispiest turkey ever, it was cooked in a BMW engine.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. All right, we got everything mixed in here. Let's just pop off this cover.
Wow.
We're going to go ahead and cook this turkey. All right.
It just fits like right down in there, huh?
Perfect. We'll get it nice in there. seal everything up and take this for a spin. All right, here we go. So now basically all we're doing is driving.
So we're going to drive a little bit. How long do you think we're going to have to drive?
It depends, you know. We'll go down here for a little bit while, and then we'll put it in sport mode to get it a real good crisp on the way back.
I like it when it's kind of crispy and the skin's a little crispy and stuff.
Oh yeah, it'll be nice and crispy. It'll peel off. It'll be the best part of the turkey.
All right, I'm excited to see how it turns out. So it really doesn't take too long to cook.
No, you know, BMWs have such good performance. It's like almost the best oven you can have.
Can't wait to try it.
All right.
You think we're getting close to being done, or what do you think?
Yep, I think we're ready. All right, so let's go ahead and put it in sport, get everything kicked off, and let's get that crisp on. All right, let's do this. Let's see the finished product.
I cannot believe that this thing's going to be fully cooked and ready to go, huh?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be great. All right.
All right, let's see what you
Go
got.
ahead and open everything up here. All right. Ooh,
Look.
look at that. Oh, gosh, look at that. How crispy everything turned out.
Wow.
Wow, all juicy on everything.
Yeah.
That'll
Yeah.
be perfect.
Can we-
This is gonna taste great.
Can I taste it? I mean, rip it.
Yeah, let's try
let's
some.
rip it open,
Here,
man. Yeah.
let's try some. Here's some of this crispy skin.
Grab some of that. Wow.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Wow.
quite tasty.
That's the best I've ever had.
Yeah, well, that's my special recipe for sure.